Bambo Nature, Splish Splash Baby Oil, 4.9 fluid ounces, 145 milliliters. Product Overview. Description. For the love of babies, bees, birds and trees. Natural and organic certified. No added fragrances, dyes, or parabens, gentle on your baby's skin. Asthma Allergy Nordic selected with care. Ecocert Cosmos Organic. Nordic Swan Ecolabel. Not animal tested. Vegan. Non-GMO our baby oil, made of natural and organic certified ingredients, moisturizers baby's delicate skin. Perfect for massaging baby. 20% of the total ingredients are from organic farming. 20% organic of total minus water and minerals. 100% natural origin of total. 100% of the ingredients minimize the risks of allergy. Cosmos Organic certified by Ecocert Greenlife according to Cosmos standard. Suggested use. To seal in moisture and keep skin soft, supple and hydrated, gently massage a small amount of oil directly onto your baby's damp skin. Other ingredients. Caprylic/capric triglyceride, bolus, vegetable, oil, Brassica campestris, rapeseed, seed oil, Brassica napus, rapeseed, seed oil, Prunus armeniaca, apricot, kernel oil, tocopherol, glycine soja, soybean, oil, citric acid. Free of parabens, phthalates, petrolatum, mineral oil, gluten, silicones, phenoxyethanol, microplastics, lanolin, GMOs, PEGs, Me, ETA, SLS, BHT, PA, formaldehyde, dyes, synthetic or natural fragrances. Ingredients from organic farming. Warnings. For external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of babies and children. Contact your healthcare professional if concerned. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.